Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a boudoir chocolate cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
To begin, start with the vanilla pastry cream. In a bowl with 2 egg yolks, add in 1 egg. Mix until slightly beaten. Add in a 1/3 cup of sugar and mix. Then add in a 1/4 cup of cornflour and mix until smooth. In a pot over medium heat, add in 2 cups of milk, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix until the sugar has dissolved and the mixture comes to a gentle simmer. Slowly pour over the hot milk mixture over the egg mixture and mix continuously in order for the eggs not to scramble. Pour the mixture back into the pot and place over medium heat, whisking throughout until the mixture has thickened, about 5 to 8 minutes. Once thickened, add in 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until smooth. Pour the mixture into a heat-safe dish and place cling wrap onto the mixture. This will prevent a skin from forming. Allow the mixture to cool for a few minutes, then place into the fridge to cool completely. Next is the chocolate cake. In a bowl with a 1/2 cup of flour, add in a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon coffee powder. Mix until well combined. Next, in a bowl, add in a 1/4 cup of softened butter and mix until smooth. Then add in a 1/4 cup packed brown sugar and a 1/4 cup white sugar. Mix until smooth. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time. Making sure before adding the next egg that the previous egg is well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and 2 ounces of melted chocolate. Mix until smooth. Add in the flour mixture in 2 batches and a 1/4 cup of buttermilk in 1 batch. And if you don't have buttermilk, you can substitute it for a 1/4 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix until the mixture is smooth. Spoon the mixture into a round baking tin and smooth it out. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. While the cake is baking, let's make some chocolate ganache. In a bowl with 3 ounces of chocolate, add in 2 ounces of warm cream and allow that to sit for a few minutes. Then mix until smooth. Remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool. Once the cake is cool, cut the cake in the middle. Onto the first layer of cake, add 1 packet of boudoir biscuits on top. Brush on a mixture of 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and a 1/2 cup of hot water. Continue to brush the coffee mixture all over the boudoirs. Next, add on the vanilla pastry cream, and spread it out. Add the next layer of chocolate cake and pour over the ganache. Smooth the ganache all over the top of the cake. Add some strawberries which have been cut in half. cut a slice of cake and enjoy.